If you're wondering whether Coursera is legit and whether the certificates are real, the short answer is yes. Before we get started, you'll find a discount link in the description below that gives access to the latest Coursera Plus offer, so you can check the current pricing if you're interested. Coursera partners with more than 350 universities and companies around the world to provide online education. Some of its most popular partners include Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, the University of Michigan, Vanderbilt University, and many other well-known institutions. Millions of learners use Coursera to develop new skills, prepare for career changes, and earn professional certificates in areas like AI, data science, business, Python, and technology. So, are the certificates real? Yes, when you successfully complete an eligible course, specialization, or professional certificate program, you receive an official digital certificate that you can add to your resume, LinkedIn profile, or job applications. However, it's important to understand that Coursera certificates are not the same as college degrees. They are professional learning credentials designed to demonstrate skills and course completion. With Coursera Plus, subscribers get unlimited access to more than 10,000 courses, specializations, professional certificates, and hands-on projects under one membership. Right now, new subscribers can get the Coursera Plus annual plan for $239 instead of the regular $399 price. That's a 40% discount and less than $20 per month when billed annually. The current promotion is available until July 13th, 2026. Check the discount link in the description below to see the latest Coursera Plus offer and start learning from top universities and companies.